What happens when a superhero teaches basic calculus? Let's find out.
This is impossible. Who even understands differentiation?
What do you even need this in your life?
Hey, Ayan, do you know how to solve this?
In a world where students struggle with math, one problem has thrown the classroom into chaos. Alone in the hallway, Ayan faces the harsh words of his classmates.
Hey, Ayan, if you don't know differentiation, then you should quit school.
Yeah.
But a hero was about to step in.
Hey.
Oh,
Hey.
Ayan is a hero now?
Hey. Ah, man. Come on, man. Whatever. Let's go.
Whatever.
With the bullies gone, hope rises.
You'll help me? Not just me.
Deep in their secret hideout, the team gathers for a mission.
My God, Nelson. Again? A mission? Okay, I'm coming.
Nelson? Oh my God, shut up, okay? Yeah, I don't care, I'm coming. I'm doing something important.
With the power of knowledge, they transform. Armed with the ultimate weapons, knowledge, courage, and the power of derivatives, our heroes are ready!
So now we're going to solve using the differentiation rules. But the first rule that we're going to use is the product rule. Now we have this function h of x equals 3x cubed quantity x squared minus 1. So what we're going to do first is to find the derivatives of each term. The first term is 3x cubed. So how do we find the derivatives? We have to bring down the exponent and multiply it to 3. So that is why we have 9. And next, we have to minus the exponent to 1. So we're gonna have 2, and that is why we have 9x squared. So the next term is x squared minus 1. So again, we have to bring down 2, that is why we have 2 here, and we're gonna minus the 2 to 1, and that is why we have 2x, because it has an imaginary 1. And we all know that any constant is equal to 0 already. So these are the derivatives, 9x squared and 2x. So the next thing is we're going to cross multiply. So 9x squared times x squared minus 1 plus the second term, which is the 3x cubed times 2x. So first, we're going to multiply this one. So 9x squared times x squared is 9x raised to the power of 4. And next, 9x squared times negative 1 is equal to 9x, negative 9x squared. Next, we're going to multiply this 2. So 2x multiplied 3x cubed is 6x raised to the power of 4. So now what we have is this, and we're going to combine like terms. So we're gonna add 9x raised to the power of 4 plus 6x raised to the power of 4, and we will have the final answer, which is 15x raised to the power of 4 minus 9x squared. So that is all. Oh no, Ayan, we have another problem. But look at this. H of x equals x cubed plus 1, quantity 3 minus 2x cubed. So how are we going to solve that? It's simple, Ayan. We're going to solve that using the product rule again. So first, we're going to find the derivative of this term. So the term is x cubed plus 1. So as we all know, we're going to bring down the exponent and subtract this to 1. So we're going to have 3x squared. So that's the first term. Second term, we're going to find the derivative 2. So what is the derivative? How do we find this? So as we all know, any constant is equal to 0. So we're going to disregard that. And next, we have negative 2x cubed. So we know the 3 and multiply it to negative 2 and we'll have negative 6. And subtract this to 1. So we're going to have 2. So we're going to have the final answer, which is negative 6x squared. So now that we have all the derivatives, we're going to cross multiply it to the terms. So first, we're going to multiply 3x squared to 3 minus 2x cubed. So the final answer is 9x, as we all know, since 3x squared times 3 is 9x squared, and 3x squared times negative 2x cubed is negative 6x raised to the power 5. So that is the result of multiplying these terms. Next, we're going to multiply x cubed plus 1 to negative 6x squared. So if we multiply them both, then we're going to have negative 6x squared times x cubed is negative 6x raised to the power 5, and negative 6x squared multiplied to 1 is negative 6x squared. So since we have this already, we're going to combine like terms. So the like terms are 9x squared and negative 6x squared. So we're going to minus the 2. So we're going to have 3x squared. And since they're both negative, we're going to add the both of them. So it's going to be negative 12x raised to the power 5. So our final answer is negative 12x raised to the power 5 plus 3x squared.
Hey, you know what? There's another problem. So the given here is x of x equals x over x plus 3. So now, we're going to use the formula d over dx equals d times d over dx times u minus u from d over dx times v over the squared. So now, we're going to determine the v and the u. So the v is x plus 3 and the u is x. So now, we're going to use or substitute it from the formula. So here, x plus 3 quantity b over dx x minus x quantity b over dx x plus 3 over quantity x plus 3 squared. Then after that, find the derivative for these. The derivative is 1, and here the derivative is also 1. So here, x plus 3 times 1 minus x times 1 over quantity x plus 3 squared. Then after that, simplify it. So x plus 3 times 1 is x plus 3, and negative x times 1 is x over quantity x plus 3 squared. Then after that, cancel this, the x and the negative x. So here, the answer is 3 over quantity x plus 3 squared. So did you get it, Ayan?
Bingo.
What? Ayan, you again? Okay, let's just solve this problem. So here, the given is x of x equals quantity 3x squared plus 2x minus 5 raised to the power 4. So since this is a chain rule, we're going to put exponent right beside the inner term. So it will become 4u our inner term, then we're going to minus the exponent of 1. So 2u. Then after that, we're going to find the derivative for v. So after that, we're going to substitute the inner term here. So it will become 4 quantity 3x squared plus 2x minus 5 raised to the power 3 times the derivative of the inner term, which is x plus 2. So we're going to multiply the 6x plus 2 with this 4. So it will become 24x plus 8 times quantity 3x squared plus 2x minus 5. So that's the answer.
What's up, Ayan? So these are the two problems of basic calculus. So first function, you were given with h of x is equal to 2x cubed minus x squared minus 2. So in this function, you have to apply the power rule. So since you are going to apply the power rule, you have to distribute the exponent to this coefficient and minus it with 1. So 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So we have 6x squared. Now, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 and 2 minus 1 is x. While this constant, since it's constant, this will become 0. So our final answer is 6x squared minus 2x. Understood, Diane? So now, let's proceed to the next problem or last problem. So we are given the function h of x is equal to 4 squared of x. So as you have noticed the radical sign, right? So the exponent of x is automatically 1/2 since it's radical sign. So of course, if you have exponent 1/2, the radical sign will be removed. So 1/2, distribute it to the coefficient, which is 4, it will be multiplied. So the answer is 2, then 1/2 minus 2 over 2 is equal to negative 1/2. So we have 2x raised to the power of negative 1/2. So now, since the exponent is negative sign, we have to put the exponent on the denominator together with the x. So we have 2 over x raised to the power of 1. So that's it. We have the final answer, 2 over square root of x. Since you can simplify this equation. So Ayan, did you get the how to solve differentiation? If yes, then that's good.
But was it real? Or just a dream? Thanks to the superheroes, Aya no longer feared math. He faced derivatives with confidence, proving that knowledge is the greatest superpower of all.